So I've been thinking that if you go out in the rain with with your scratched up discs, then they will work again. I'm not gonna waste your 20 minutes of how to look this up without paying $3 to get a resurface. So I have the Strike Tournament Edition, and it's pretty scratched. You could probably see that through the camera, through the phone. Even though I don't have a phone, and even though I don't use this disc. I just like to see what would happen. Taking a lot longer for it to read the disc with the scratches on it. See? Unable to read the disc. The disc stops, and then the question mark comes out saying that it's unable to read. So we're going to take out the disc. And I'm going to try to have the disc be read. It's pretty rainy out. Just gonna put some gloves on it. That might be good. Just glob it quick, then just put it on the disc. It's just me. I just don't know if this will work. See, when there's not a disc inserted, it says please insert a disc. Taking a lot longer for it to read the disc with the rainwater on it and the scratches. See, it doesn't work. Doing that doesn't work. Globbing raindrops on your disc does not work. In fact, it just makes things worse. So thanks for watching. Bye.